To make your Google Pixel 11 feel faster or more responsive, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to click on About Phone Information and then scroll all the way down until you find the build number. Keep clicking on the build number until it says that you are a developer, and then you can navigate to the system options in the main settings page. Scroll all the way down, go for developer options, and then scroll down, and we'll be looking for 3 specific options. Here we have it. There's a window animation scale that we want to turn off, transition animation scale that we want to turn off, and animation duration scale that we also want to turn off. That way, with those 3 options off, we'll have our phone feel much faster. It will get snappy and instantly open or close any apps. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.